Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday March the 27th 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 8263. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. 17 20 digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one. Dano, double one, Dano, double one, Dano. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, between the O's comes an 1, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, without comparing, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.